What's up, YouTube? All right, today is a very pretty exciting day for me. I will actually get to do what I've been waiting to do, because as you know, I have the C601 calipers up front, right? Lovely, right? And I got these stocky stockers in the back. So it's finally time to get rid of that. But I got one dilemma. Let's see what that is. So I got everything, right? Got these nice and lovely C7 base calipers, right? Got that, right? I got my nice CTS brake swap brackets, right? And the bolts. And then I gotta put new bolts up front. Please, when you put these on, please Loctite them. I don't know what slipped my mind. Cause like you see, I even Loctited the pulley bolts on chassis V. So I don't know what happened, bro. Let me pull it out now. So I remember to do that, cause yeah, that sucked. And I think this thing has a leak or something, cause ugh. But this is my dilemma I'm gonna give you right here. So I got brake pads, right? It doesn't come with the slide pins, which I think is very stupid. So I think I just rubbed Loctite on my face. So now I gotta go run around and see if I can find a pin kit for this thing. So let me go do that and I'll get right back with y'all. No. Well, I guess we're about to find out. All right, so the banjo bolt is a 11. And it's gonna leak fluid out of the caliper, of course, which is not leaking from the Doodle, so which that's also a plus. That's gonna be fun trying to get that off. So let me pry these old ones off, because I've never taken this one off yet. So these are still old, because even when I did the front, they were stuck on as well. So let me get these old crush washers off and we'll go from there. A good way to show how to get these blasted washers off. Where'd the other one go? Oh, it's on there. Okay, so say it's in there, right? And this one just don't want to come off. What I end up doing is I got some needle noses and I held the edge of it just like so, and then I just used the ratchet and it pulled it right on off. So now let's get let's take the whole caliper off. So we're gonna just take the whole caliper off in one piece. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. There it go a little bit. And I'm probably just gonna use the impact to get that bottom off. Okay, cool. Sorry about that, y'all. Too much torque. All right, so now, oh, it came right off. Oh, fluid right on my leg. I forgot. I was like, what is that so warm? And then I remembered. Okay, well, let me put this down, let me get some rags and we'll get back. Here, we're just gonna build the caliper. Might as well. while we're waiting, get something done. So basically, if this is on the car, you know, it'll be like this in this position. It'll be a little easier to build because here it's only got one notch, here it doesn't. So you're about to see what I'm talking about. I wonder if these are the same length. They seem to be. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and test out this theory. Okay, so let's say that your caliper, your pads didn't come with the clamp, it just came with the pads. So let's do this. We're gonna put this one up front. Yeah, that's right. Okay, we're gonna put that one up front, this one in the back. And then we'll just slide that bad boy in there. And we'll slide this pad down, slide that bad boy in there. And then we're gonna slide in the Camaro one from the 2010 kit that I bought. And then we'll slide, I guess it would work. But I'd rather use this one just the way it's made. It's made for it. So, yeah, let's back this out. But yeah, Javi's here now. We had to go run and pick up some stuff. And come to find out that we're probably gonna have to take the rotor off to get to the, to be able to cut on the dust shield where it says you have to cut at. It doesn't say where you have to, but you kind of figure that out once you start working on it, and then you see where it's catching at. So let's get this off and then we'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all, so we got it off and now we about to do some figuring out. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit of the top of the dust shield up here, and I'm gonna cut a little bit down there, and then we're gonna see. Ow! Guess I'm gonna go ahead and cut that little flange off and make it flat right there, and then cut it at the bottom, and then Javi, what's the best way to cut that, bro? Like straight up and down, I guess. Like
in the picture, they just went like that.
Yeah. No, they cut all all that's gone.
You know what I'm saying? Just cut straight down. And once it's cut straight down, hit it from the back. Start from the bottom, work your way up. And
hit it from the back.
Yeah, cut it from the back right here. We get the front, put the shoe up. And once we get up here, so we get towards the leaf spring, and if it don't give you room, we'll just bend it upwards
and just pry it off.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, well, let's get to that. So you see, sorry y'all, I had to straighten that up. You see where you gotta cut. I kind of did hit the brake a little bit, but I figured out how to not do that again. So let's put this rotor back on. All right. Put that back on. And I already have it on here, as you can see, but I'm gonna have to take them out and put Loctite on them anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get it on here. Oh, don't go too far. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put Loctite on this one. And just because I had that incident a while back, I'm just gonna put a lot of Loctite on. You don't have to put this much, but I already had an incident. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. Actually, I need to be doing this one because that's the one. I guess technically I could do this. For me to somebody else that has never done this before, this type of fabricating, cutting anything like this, I had to do this on the G8 when I did the rib ribos on it. One thing piece of information I will pass to you is I will cut. So okay, so first of all, right here, I will cut a line right here so I know this is where the top of the bracket starts and this is where the bottom starts over here. So one piece of advice is cut here, cut there, cut there, cut there. And it's gonna give you, when you get into this area, it's gonna be a lot easier to play with. You'll see here in a second. But also cut about here, about there, and the calipers should be able to sit in there freely. So let me do the cuts real fast and then I cut back in and I'll show y'all what I did. All right, that's where I would cut first. All right, so that cut there, and you see about that distance, cut right above where the bracket sits, little slit, little slit, little slit, and then cut by right there, and then you'll be good to go. So let me get this finished and get this side bolted up, and we'll get to the finished product. All right, y'all, so yeah. It's all done. It's all done. So y'all saw the video on when we did this. I'm happy it's done. And back here, I'm so happy. But Josh just hit me up saying the car won't start. So once Javi gets back, I'm gonna put this, never mind what I was just about to say. The car's done. The truck's done, I'm sorry. The truck is done. So used to saying car, this is my first truck, so not used to this. So Corvette there, Corvette there. So yeah, here we go. I only feel confident in doing this stuff like this when other people are around.
That's what I feel the worst, bro. I'm just like, fuck out of it. I don't want you to see when I fuck up.